What up, what up, what up? How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good. Before we jump right into the video, I want you all to click the sub button down below and don't forget to like and comment. Welcome to my trading mentorship series. In this journey, I'll be guiding you step by step through the exact roadmap I've created for mastering the market. Mind you, I'm not going to be talking about those Forex terminology like what is pips, what is spread, none of that. So the first thing we'll be looking at is the market structure, and we're going to be going in details a little, not too much things under the market structure, like what is market structure, what does it mean, what does it look like. We're going to be looking at on the chart, then the kinds of market structures, why market structures matters. Market structure is the grassroots of forming any setup. So the second thing we'll be looking at is liquidity. We will dive into what liquidity is, the different types, key concept like stop hunts and the Judas swing. Of course, we'll be looking at all kinds of liquidity like the equal highs, equal lows, session highs, session lows, daily highs, daily lows, all those stuff. So we're going to be going in details in all that. Then number 3 will be the fair value gap. We will break down what fair value gap are, the types of gaps you need to know, and how to use them in your trading. We have all kinds of gap, like we do have the first presented fair value gap, we do have your inversion fair value gap. We're going to talk about them when the mentorship starts. So for now, then on number 4 we have our order block. We cover what order blocks are, how to identify valid ones, and the different types that gives you powerful trading setups. We have types of order block, how to identify valid order blocks. We have the bearish, the bullish order blocks. Then we're talking about the breaker block, portion block, mitigation block. You name it. A lot of them. So number 5 is the key zones and macros. This where we study the trading session, the Asian session, the London session, and especially the New York session, where I personally focus most of my trades. We break it down into the pre-session, the AM session, and the PM session. And of course, we will explore the macros that ties everything together. The 20-minute macro, X50 to the X16. And number 6, put it all together. Finally, we combine all these concepts into a complete trading approach that you can apply to your chart with confidence. We're going to be putting all the market structure, liquidity, fair value gaps, all the blocks, and all the key zones and macros all together to form the setup. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notification, and don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment. See you there. Peace.